Just doing a update video. I get quite a few people asking what's going on with the Bronco, where's the progress, that sort of thing. So yeah, just to kind of dive right into it. I've just been working on getting the fuel injection set up. I got a GT40 tubular intake, also the Lightning lower. I got a distributor on order from Davis Unified Ignition. Going from there, need to do the wiring harness for both the body as well as the fuel injection. That's coming up next. Yeah, just been honestly just tinkering with a lot of things, buying parts, getting ready to keep it moving along. Discovered that the Astro Van Hydro Boost that I was going to run probably isn't big enough to work the brake calipers for the 08 Super Duty axles I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a Super Duty Hydro Boost from like a 2008-ish F250. Also put that in. Gonna have to modify the firewall, so this bracket's gonna go away, and then I think just flush mount the bracket on there. But yeah, this is how it's been sitting. It's just kind of filled with parts and things and waiting. So yeah, I got a brand new dash, got to do all the wiring, get the brakes, basically all the plumbing. So hoping to get that done, or at least start making some more progress in the next few weeks. I also got an Atlas 2, so I'm gonna pull out my NP205. That's fully rebuilt, 0 miles on it. I think a buddy wants to get it, but that's the old dash, Bailey built rear bumper. Also got the Bailey built cage. Yeah, so just been buying a lot of parts. Got the fender flares on from Wild Horses. I think eventually I'm gonna go from, I got a 3.5-inch spring in the back. I'm gonna drop it down to a 1.5. Yeah, just get it a little lower, get it in the garage. Also with the lower spring. These are 35-inch or 37-inch BFGs. I'll probably run still maybe a 37-inch BFG, but full tread. Yeah, still a lot to do. Got the seats in there from Tom's. Those are really nice. Got to do exhaust wiring, but yeah, I think the biggest thing is just been getting all the right parts and getting everything to fit and work together, and that's been the biggest challenge. But picked up some tube doors. I think these are Duff's tube doors from a guy off Marketplace for $300. These are a set of doors I got. Gonna take those to the body shop and get them matched to the paint, match the paint color and all that. So yeah, that's an update on the Bronco. Hopefully another couple weeks, get it back over to my buddy's house, get all the wiring done, the brake system, get the dash in, get everything, exhaust, fuel lines, swap the NP205 for the Atlas 2, and hopefully start it up and drive it for the first time. Going on just about 5 years now. I think I'm like 4.5 years as of this video that I've been building it. So long time coming. Happy to finally see it come to well, I guess kind of an end. Next stage anyway, but cool. See you guys on the next one.